getting asked $2 lately. It's like, that's been my dream car for a long time, man. A long ass time since a kid. Always wanted one of them things. They just, I'm not gonna say they overpriced, but it's worth the money. Cause they is going back up in prices though. What? They is going back in price cause so you can get a nice good one for about 10 grand. That's like in the shade. I want it to be kind of sunny. Had the sun on the car, so I probably gotta find another spot. This car wash pack. I never been to this car wash though. I'm gonna go to the other one I always go to because it's more shade there. Probably want to go to the other one on the corner. See how that is for the first time. I'll probably go. You know, there ain't no car right there. Ah, damn it, is a car right there. There's hella dirt on that one too. What the fuck was they washing? Oh yeah, cool. There ain't no car here. Yo, it's hella dirt on that one. Yo, what the fuck was they washing? A fucking elephant?
Retnik Beats.
Alright, just finished washing the car. Get way ahead of my buddy out. Figure out the problem with that car. We want to check out all the fuses to see what's going on. Then I'm gonna hit to the that Jaguar though.
heard you like 2 minutes away, man. I heard you hauling ass, bro. My boy, I swear I heard you way the fuck down, sure. I'm like, this gotta be Jamal. I said, I know that's Jamal. Hauling ass like that. Then I think you stopped at a light, because then you got real quiet.
Yeah.
You got back on again. I heard you way down there, bro.
Very.
I gotta get my shit up and running, man. You up here upgrading. I could be doing the same shit right now, but I'm still stuck on trying to get the bitch to crank out. Yeah, this stuff right here, man, it cleans. It works miracles, man.
What's that for? Like, you said what?
I got fuses not even pushed in. Anybody think my car fucking with shit?
What the fuck? Push them joints in, see if it comes on.
Well, you never lied.
Oh, that's the problem. I always check these shits, make sure it's catching oil, and it's definitely catching the dirty oil.
Go all the way in like it's supposed to, though.
Sure, it might be the right fuse in that spot. Why is this like this? Oh, why is this right there? Yeah.
Yo, pull me about this shit, man. Oh, look, fucking steering wheel. Wait a fucking minute. How the fuck I get in here? Wait a second, man. This ain't cool. Oh, this bullshit. Come here.
Yeah, I like the GS's, man.
I thought one rolled past us like yours.
Come on, hurry up in there. Park next to this, see what you got. 300? Okay, I see you. Yeah, it definitely is clean. Yeah, we're gonna kind of smart turn the car off, everybody. Yeah, I know.